How to install floor tiles step by step. Complete professional flooring tile installation guide in this detailed tutorial. You will learn the complete process of professional floor tile installation from start to finish. Whether you are a beginner, a DIY enthusiast, or an experienced tile installer looking to improve your skills, this video covers every important step needed to achieve a strong, level, and beautiful tiled floor. We begin by preparing the floor surface, ensuring it is clean, smooth, and ready for installation. Proper preparation is one of the most important stages of any tiling project because it helps create a durable foundation and prevents future issues. You will then see how to plan the tile layout correctly to achieve balanced cuts and a finish. The video demonstrates how to mix and apply tile adhesive, spread it evenly using the correct trowel technique, and position each tile accurately. Special attention is given to maintaining consistent spacing between tiles, checking alignment, and ensuring a perfectly level surface throughout the installation process. You will also learn practical tips for cutting tiles accurately around walls, corners, and obstacles, helping you achieve clean edges and a precise fit. Throughout the tutorial, we share professional techniques used by skilled tile installers to improve efficiency, reduce mistakes, and produce high-quality results. After the tiles are installed, the video explains the importance of allowing proper curing time before proceeding with the next stages. The final result is a clean, durable, and attractive tiled floor suitable for homes, apartments, kitchens, living rooms, hallways, and many other spaces. This comprehensive flooring guide is designed to help viewers understand the complete workflow of ceramic and porcelain floor tile installation while learning valuable tips that can be applied to future tiling projects. By following the methods shown in this video, you can achieve a professional finish that enhances both the appearance and durability of any floor. If you enjoy professional tiling content, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and follow along for more step-by-step tutorials covering ceramic tile installation, porcelain tile installation, bathroom renovations, kitchen tiling, wall tiling, floor preparation, grouting techniques, and many other construction and home improvement projects. Your support helps us continue creating educational content and sharing professional craftsmanship with viewers around the world.